Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in New Zealand. First, you'll need to create an account using your local New Zealand details. Once registered, link a New Zealand bank account or a credit or debit card to your profile. It's crucial to verify your identity to lift any initial sending and receiving limits, ensuring full access to all features. This process typically involves providing some identification documents, making your account fully functional for all transactions. Sending money is straightforward. Simply use the recipient's email or mobile number. You can also receive payments, whether for goods and services or from other PayPal users. Be aware that international transfers and currency conversions may incur fees, so always check the rates before completing a transaction. For example, a small percentage fee often applies to cross-border payments, ensuring you understand the total cost. PayPal offers a secure way to shop online at millions of retailers globally. When you pay with PayPal, you benefit from their robust buyer protection policy for eligible purchases, giving you peace of mind. To maintain account security, always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, safeguarding your financial information against unauthorized access and ensuring your transactions are safe. Withdrawing funds from your PayPal balance to your linked New Zealand bank account is simple. Typically, these withdrawals take about 3 to 5 business days to process and appear in your bank. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, PayPal's dedicated customer support is readily available to assist you. They can help with everything from transaction queries to account management, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.